Jai Srimanarayana. Common people become great because of their uncommon activities. Telugu land, Andhra Pradesh, is the place where great scholars established so many values in their works and also established so many great things through their deeds. People in this area from Andhra Pradesh, I think, are the first ones who brought into existence the commentaries to the age-old Sanskrit texts like Srimad Mahabharatam. The great scholars like Nannaya, etc., they added commentaries in the local languages and brought it to the level of the common man so that they also can get the great essence of our Vedic scriptures. Sriman Brahmasri Peri Venkateshwara Shastri Garu is one of such great scholars who has been adored as Maha Mahimopadhyaya, Kala Prapurna, and Vyakarana Sthapaka, etc. great accolades. Now, Vijayanagaram worked there as the great lecturer and worked in different other colleges as well. But from 1965 onwards till his retirement, he worked in Andhra Gairvana Kalasala of Kovur, and he spent his that time with pious teachings and also prepared great generation to continue the tradition he was hiring. He showed his gratitude towards his great guru by adding his commentary on that. Like the great scholar Nagesh Bhattu has written Laghu Sebdendu Sekharam, and Sri Peri Venkateshwara Shastri Gari's Acharya, his guru, Sriman Brahmasri Tata Subrai Shastri Ji, has written a commentary, of course at his fag end of the life, called Guru Prasadam. And of course he himself accepted that because he may be able to complete the commentary or not, but he expected that some of his disciples or some of the followers should complete it in the way that he established the systems. And fortunate enough that Brahmasri Peri Shastri Ji is able to catch the message of his guru and showed his gratitude in completing the commentary, but showing his the kritagnyata, the gratitude in the form of the naming that work as Guru Prasada Sesham. That is where his greatness, his humbleness is understood. Actually, the traditions come from the teachers to the disciples. He showed his gratitude in that way, and of course all his disciples who were under the tutelage of him from Kovuru Kalasala also prepared themselves in the same way as the Guruji was. That is the greatness. That is how we experience the greatness of those great people. And they also are very much interested in showing their own gratitude by continuing the tradition in preparing their own disciples in the same system. And at the same time, one of his, of course, his dearest disciples, by whose request The Shastriji, in spite of his retirement, he stayed 2 more years for the sake of those disciples and completed the topics whatever he started for them. And one among them, and probably the prime disciple, is like our Dr. Samudrala Venkatarangaramajacharya Swami, and who is the director of our Jiva's Vedic Research Vibhaga, Research Department. And he, with his gratefulness, he wanted to complete, or he wanted to bring out the work presented by that great Acharya, great Shastriji. Shastriji, though was very great scholar, he was very generous enough in bringing out the wonderful story of Lord Krishna. Yes, Sri Krishna Charitam. It's a very, very common thing that great scholars are not really able to present the things in a way that common people can understand. But those who are able to reach the common people may not be having that kind of scholarship. But the Peri Shastriji has a unique ability to present even the greatest realities of the scriptures in a very common style, so that even normal people also will be able to understand. And that is what we can find from his work, Krishna Charitam, the wonderful story of Lord Krishna, probably the naughtiest in the world, but ever loved by everybody. And caught up with that quality of the Lord Krishna, Sriman Shastriji was able to write a very beautiful work in the prose order called Krishna Charitam. And of course, it was once published, but a very nice book, which is, if read by a even common person, really enlightens them with the scripture of Srimad Bhagavatam. Showing his gratitude to his Guruji, Dr. Rangaramanujacharya Swami, is taking up the task through his research project, as a research project of him, and bringing out that book so that people will be able to get the benefit of the grace of that great Acharya. And we are very much delighted to see that that tradition of showing gratitude to the Gurus is continued in this lineage. And we expect that this kind of gratitude, showing our humbleness to our Acharyas, should continue forever. Let this sect continue forever, is what we expect. And we are sure, even having a basic knowledge of the Sanskrit, anybody is able to go through the great work presented by Sriman Peri Venkateswar Shastriji in the form of Krishna Charitam. Let everybody get the grace of the Lord and be humble to the lineage of their gurus. Jai Sriman Narayana.